In this video, I'll show you how to set a stop limit order on the Robinhood app step by step. First, open the app and log into your account. From the home screen, search for the stock you want to trade or select it from your portfolio. Once you're on the stock page, tap the Trade button at the bottom right, then choose Buy or Sell, depending on your goal. Now tap on the order type at the top of the screen and select Stop Limit Order. Next, enter the number of shares you want to trade. After that, set your stop price, which is the trigger price. Then set your limit price, which is the exact price you're willing to buy or sell at once the stop is triggered. Make sure your limit price makes sense compared to your stop price. For selling, the limit price is usually the same or slightly lower than the stop price to help the order fill. For buying, it's usually the same or slightly higher. Then tap Review to check all your details carefully. Once everything looks good, swipe up to submit your order. Your order will stay pending until the stop price is reached, and then it will try to execute at your limit price. You can track or cancel the order anytime in the History section. And that's it. If this helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials.